As the CIO of NOV, my job is to make sure that IT infrastructure and security enable our business to power the people who power the world. Our 27,000 employees across 60 countries require secure, reliable technology anytime, anywhere, on almost any device. Just like we expect electricity and water to just always work. Like many enterprises, we had a legacy IT environment connected with hub and spoke networks protected by a castle and moat security model. It was expensive and not flexible enough for our increasingly mobile and dynamic business. I needed to reduce cost, improve security, make life easier for both our users and IT administrators, and I needed it to work all the time. A successful digital transformation is a journey, not a destination, and it doesn't happen all at once. We drove our journey in multiple phases. In phase 1, Microsoft 365 was adopted to improve collaboration and sharing of large data sets. Phase 2 enabled secure access to internet and SaaS application through Zscaler's Zero Trust Exchange. It immediately gave us resiliency and increased our security posture. Only then could we eliminate our MPLS network and provide local internet breakouts, resulting in millions of dollars in savings, faster connections, and direct access to SaaS applications. We then turned on TLS inspection capabilities to detect and block threats hidden in that traffic. In phase 3, we replaced multiple remote access VPN solutions and provided fast and secure zero trust access to private apps using Zscaler Private Access. This allowed NOV employees and third-party contractors policy-based access to over 7,500 NOV applications directly over the internet. In phase 4, we moved our critical customer-facing private applications into AWS and moved our many regional data centers to Azure. Phase 5 will implement zero trust connectivity for our offices. This phase will be the most exciting. Our offices will become like an internet cafe, and we will no longer extend our corporate network to every facility, which is critical to eliminating lateral threat movement. Our secure digital transformation has made NOV's business a lot more agile. It has saved millions of dollars, improved user productivity, and reduced our cyber risk. The journey hasn't always been a straight line, but I can proudly say that we are overachieving on our goals.